This is a 2017 GMC Acadia Denali in the black cherry metallic paint. This has the tech package on it. It is proximity entry on all 4 doors. It's not something you're going to be able to see in the video really, but the entire front clip has been wrapped in that 3M paint protection film, so they call that a clear bra. So pretty much just all of this all the way to the corner. So I don't know if you can see that edge right there. This whole corner all the way down, just that whole front fascia. It does have the front parking sensors, HID headlights, Tiger Paw Touring all-season tires, tons of tread left on them. This is all-wheel drive, reverse parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, backup camera. It's got a power lift gate, LED tail lights, so you can see the backup camera with the 360-degree view. You also have a forward-facing camera with a 360-degree view. And you can see this car is all the way over there on the left. So something you can see in your side mirror, that's how wide that view is. Just to give you an idea, it's basically what I would look at my left window. So very ultra wide. Lots of different apps. Built-in navigation. You have AM, FM, and XM radio. As far as safety features, this does have the safety alert vibrating seat, forward collision alert with automatic braking. It has the front pedestrian detection with automatic braking, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise go notifier, lane change alert, and I'm sure there's a few more. Dual zone automatic climate control, and you do have the rear climate access here, so it's tri-zone total, and you can adjust all your settings. The front has heated and ventilated seats, both driver and passenger. In that cubby you have 2 USBs, auxiliary, and a 12-volt port. Got some wood grain accents. This is your all-wheel drive center right here. You have all these different drive modes. You can kind of go through and adjust them. And this is your lane change alert, parking sensors. It's got a heated steering wheel. There's your forward collision alert, gap adjustment, Bluetooth. See it right there, push button start. It has the automatic headlights and automatic high beams. You can turn those on or off if you don't want them to do that. Parking brake, power adjustable steering column. You have the driver memory seat package, so you can save the position of your side mirrors, driver seat, as well as the steering wheel. You got your Bose audio, power lift gate, SHALE leather with the cocoa interior accents, power adjustable driver seat. Got your Denali there and the headrest. This is the dual SKYSCAPE roof, so one in the front, one in the back. The one in the front opens, the one in the back does not. second row captains. This does have the WeatherTech floor liners on the front and the rear, and that goes all the way to the third row, so your floors are fully protected. There's your climate control for the second row with the heated seats on both captain chairs. 120 volt outlet, 2 USBs. You have a little storage compartment here. Actually, not little, it's pretty big. It's nice. And coming in the back, there's your third row. There's a tread on these tires, just so you can see. Ton of tread left. I'm sure those are fairly new. Coming to the back, power lift gate, like I said. Carpet on the back is cocoa in color. Dual SKYSCAPE sunroof. Lots of storage. Got a 12 volt port here. Got a power lift gate. Got the second row captains. Like I said, WeatherTech liners. It is proximity entry. That's our button for the proximity entry. WeatherTech floor liners. Power adjustable passenger seat. These WeatherTechs are cocoa color to match the interior. Here's your glove box. Got your owner's manual here inside with the Denali lettering on it. And it is proximity entry. Like I said, here's your key. Has remote start and then a button for your power lift gate. So you can just press this button to open the back. Press it again, you can close it. There we go. If you have any questions, give us a call.